A child presses play on an old tape. The speakers crackle. A voice fills the room, faint, distant, but alive. It's their grandfather speaking from a time long gone. That moment, that fragile sound, is why October 27 exists. Today is the World Day for Audiovisual Heritage, a day to remember that sound and image can outlive us all if we choose to protect them. Our history isn't just written in ink, it's whispered in songs, captured in reels, frozen in frames. It's the laughter of the 1940s, the music of revolutions, the voices that dared to dream. But time is cruel. Film burns, tape fades, hard drives fail, and when those memories vanish, a part of us vanishes too. That's why UNESCO created this day, to remind us that our heritage isn't just in museums. It's in every record, every home video, every story passed from one generation to the next. Each clip we restore, each song we save, is an act of resistance against forgetting. Because when we preserve sound and motion, we preserve emotion. We keep the heartbeat of humanity alive. So today, open that old box in our attic. Find that VHS, that cassette, that dusty photo reel. Play it, listen, remember. Because that crackling voice, that smile in faded color, they're proof that moments never truly die. They just wait to be replayed. And this video you are watching right now, this small celebration of World Day for Audiovisual Heritage, will one day become part of that history too. A tiny piece of digital memory preserved to remind someone in the future that we cared enough to remember. Preserve it, protect it, pass it on. Tell me, what do you have from your family that keeps a memory alive? An old tape? A faded photo? A song someone once sang? Share it below because every story deserves to be remembered. Happy World Day for Audiovisual Heritage from Daily Dose of Days, where every day keeps a memory alive.